What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Mando Outdoor Gear Reviews. Today I don't have a gear review, more so an introduction to the newest sponsor of my channel, Lasfit. Now I know this name has been out there, there's plenty of videos out there, but I'm super excited that they chose me to be their newest sponsored member of their team. So what we have today is Lasfit Pro low beams, LED brake lights, and LED turn signals for the front. So we're going to go ahead and crack these open. I'm going to show you how to install them in the rear, and then we'll move to the front and I'll show you how to install the headlights in the front and the turn signals in the front. All right, now for the rears, you have four. You got one, two, and you got two on the opposite side. I've already had these installed. Those are Lasfit's reverse lights. It was one of the first modifications I did when I got the truck, way before I even thought about getting sponsored. But there we go. Let me get the camera to focus. There we go. Now these are supposed to be error free. What you're gonna need is a T15 or Torx 15 bit to take the two screws out. And we got the two LEDs. And before, let's get a before. And those are just the halogens in there. Those are Lasfit LED reverse lights. All right. You're gonna, once you take the screws out, you're gonna pull and then pull to the side a little bit to release it. And you're gonna twist. And let's check. All right, so those are on. Put the bottom ones out. And wear gloves, those are warm. And push them back in. All right, let me take the lights off. Oh yeah. Tap test. They are good. Now we go ahead and install the bolts back in. All right, now we're gonna move on to the front. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the turn signals first. Now you can get to them either through the fender or on the top. I don't feel like pulling my fender liner out just a little bit to get to it, so we're just gonna do it from the top. All right. So if you're facing the car, it's to the left of your high beam. You're gonna twist it, and you're gonna pull it out. Make sure I don't mess them up. There we go. And there you go. You're gonna put it back in. And you're gonna twist. All right, this is just the regular lights. This is going to be after. Those are a lot brighter. All right, and now the Lasfit Pros. Now, I do currently have Lasfit Pros in my high beams. I have Lasfit LA or Lasfit Air Series in my highs. But on my truck, for some reason, I had to run CAN bus decoders in order for them to work properly. So I'm actually excited about these. I don't have to use decoders. So you get stickers, one red one, one black one. You get the tool to clock it, and the packaging is phenomenal. I love this. Now, the one thing I do like about this is it has new dust covers. Everything goes inside the headlight, and these are also, they have fans on them. So you have fans on the headlights. You also have fans pulling the heat out. And they also tell you which way they go, so that way if it's up, you're not letting water or moisture get into it. So they have to go down. So let me go ahead and get these out. All right. So there's my decoder, and that's my old Lasfit. And now we're going to go ahead and put these in. We'll start with the bulbs first. It is pretty tight to get them in here. I don't care what videos you watch to show that it was so easy to do it. These are a pain in the ass. Those are in. Now on this, you're going to screw this into the headlight, and this you're going to plug into the housing. All right, let's give it a test. They are reverse polarity, so there you go. Lasfit Pros on that side, LA Series on that side, and then let's show the high beams. So you can tell these are definitely brighter than that one. Oh, I can't wait for the night. Okay, so I have my camera mounted on the top of the rooftop tent, so we're going to take a look. So this is a nighttime shot of the Lasfit Pro low beams and high beams. This right here is my DRL grill light and parking lights. That is the Lasfit Pro low beams, and that's the Lasfit Pro high beams.